Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the NARWAL S10 Pro Wet Dry Vac.
And Narwhal sent us this for the review.
All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so it's got the overview right here, how to install everything and get it going. Here is the user manual. This looks like the handle. All right, this is the main unit here, base where the handle hooks on.
And it looks like where you put the water and where it captures the dirty water.
Ooh, it's got a furry roller. This is the base. That's where the vacuum sits to charge. And that's got a nice little cord keeper for the plug. All right, so all that's left are the accessories.
Nice filter.
The extra furry roller, nice and soft. Looks like a cleaning brush. All right, well, it looks like that's it.
Okay, we put the handle on it. You basically just slide it in, it snaps into place, and you're done. And then over here, this is the dirty water tank. You basically press this little button here. Here's the tank. And this is a filter. Now they gave us an extra one. And to take it out, you just basically pull up on the handle here. And there you go. All the dirt's in there and everything else. And of course the bad water. So you clean it out, rinse it out, take it, push it back in, put the handle down, and snap it back in place. Boom. That's the dirty water tank. Then, on the other side, behind here, is the freshwater tank. So you just take the little purple tab, lift it up, fill it with water. That's your clean water. And it just snaps right in place. That's all it takes. Now, up front is the brush. So this cover comes off. Press the blue thing here, lift it up, off comes the cover, and there's your roller. And then if you want to take out the roller and replace it, again, they gave us an extra roller. You just lift up on this tab, and the roller comes off. That's it. Very simple mechanism. Put it back on here. Rotate this around. Make sure you catch it correctly. Press the button. There you go. Roller's back in. Take the cover. Put it on here. Snap it down. And that's it. Got it all together.
Okay, so before we can use the S10 Pro, we've got to charge it. We've got the charging base set up here. So let's put it on to charge. All right, so it's already 50% charged and it's charging up. Right up here is the power button, and this is the mode button.
Auto mode, turbo mode, quiet mode, suction mode. Max enchantment activated.
All right, let's turn it on.
Electrolyzed water sterilization activated. Clean water tank water level is low. Please add water into clean water tank. Quiet mode.
So it took a little bit before it recognized the water was full, but now it's going. And quiet mode is when your floors are relatively clean and you want to have a more quiet experience that optimizes your battery life. This is really smooth. It just like powers itself. So when you are going like under a bed or somewhere low, it automatically moves to low areas mode, and it's supposed to have extra suction.
Suction mode.
Suction mode is used to remove surface water.
Auto mode.
Auto mode automatically adapts to a variety of dirty surfaces. All right, so it auto-detected the dirt, which is pretty neat. Yeah, it's picking it right up. All right, so that did a really great job picking up the coffee grounds and that big puddle of water. So now I'm just going to put it back on the base. Okay, so when you're all done cleaning, it's got a self-cleaning mode that will wash and dry the mop. So let's turn it on.
Self-cleaning complete. Clean dirty water tank to avoid bacterial growth.
So that's it. That is the NARWAL S10 Pro Wet Dry Vac. Thank you for watching.